Mitch McConnell just glitched again.
Again?
Here, watch. That's it. They just ask, are you going to retire? Are you going to retire? Are you going to retire?
Did you hear the question, Senator?
Who's this?
Re-election in 2026?
She's ready. She jumps in. She knows she's seen this before.
I'm sorry, you all. We're going to need a minute.
We're going to need a minute. He's standing in front of reporters. There's another guy. There's a protocol.
Of course there's a protocol. Mitch McConnell's operating system has been running like Windows 98 after some 13-year-old kid downloaded 352 porn files off of LimeWire for a while now. And the 93-minute MP4 of Big Booty Babes 3 is like stuck buffering at 42% in the background. So every time mom logs into the computer and tries to ask Clippy a question, the whole fucking thing crashes. And then your older brother, who thinks he's an IT whiz or a hacker because he did all the background coding for his own MySpace page, turns it off and turns it back on again. But that takes like 4 fucking hours because there's no hard drive space left and it hasn't been defragmented since Y2K. And mom and dad just refuse to replace the computer with something newer and better because progress and technology is scary. So they just keep repeating this really annoying protocol to keep limping this outdated museum piece along for as long as humanly possible. And honestly, my question is less to McConnell and his people who allow him to keep factory resetting in public, and more to the people of Kentucky. What the fuck are you doing with your lives? Y'all have been re-electing the pale man from Pan's Labyrinth since Washington crossed the fucking Delaware, and why? I've never met a single person in my entire life who likes Mitch McConnell. He's one of the most powerful people in the fucking country, which makes him one of the most powerful people in the goddamn world. And super basic interviews now feel like you're visiting Grandpa in the memory care center at the old folks home. You just ask him a simple question like, Grandpa, you been playing bingo? How's that been going? And then the nurse, who can't leave his side because he's shitting himself, says, hey, Grandpa, did you hear what they asked? Have you been playing bingo? And then you just get this blank, drooling stare for an awkwardly long period of time. And then the nurse is like, okay, I think Grandpa needs a bit. We're gonna go put him to bed. It's literally exactly what keeps happening, except it's not Grandpa, it's a fucking senator, and it's not a nursing home, it's goddamn press conferences. What the fuck, Kentucky? Just stop. The past 240 years, you could have voted for, like, anyone else, and you just keep giving us this fucking turtle. Not gonna lie, though, getting to watch your racist, misogynistic granddad have to have his Super Nintendo cartridge blown in repeatedly to keep operating long enough to try and finish the game after he spent multiple generations ruining the world and making literally everybody's life worse. I'm not sure how much more harm he can do at this point, and we're enjoying the show. Either way, with every passing day, we get a little bit closer to the only thing of value Senator McConnell will ever pass.